got Nick and Terry's Chevy going finally. It's Thanksgiving Day 2011. We got it back together. We got it running. It looks good. Still got to work on the back side of the truck. But as you see, we're coming up the side here. We got the doghouse all back on it. Got the motor cleaned up, painted. Everything done. Got a new grill for it. Turned out looking really cool, killer. See, it runs really good. It sounds really good. Got a new fender, new core support, new radiator, new grill, new battery, all new hoses, new air cleaner, new inner fender well, used fender, used grill. We are just ecstatic in this truck. It is cool as it can be. You can hear it now. Nice and clean. Radiator spinning. Fan spinning. Look how nice and clean it is. Red. Still got to get the hood on it. Got the hood, just haven't got it on. Right at big time back here a little bit so we get an idea of what it looks like in the whole truck. See, it's got pretty big tires on the back, big tires on the front. It's a 3/4 ton. Got one of the cab lights off of it now. Got to order all new cab lights for it. Wire those. That ought to be a party. Got all the turn signals working, headlights working, stop lights, hazard, gas gauge works, speedometer works. Everything on it's working. Electrically, it's in really good shape now. We haven't got the trailer lights hooked up yet, but we're working on that next. So we get the front end done here, and then we're going after the interior. So it has got a ton of power. We're going to spin the tires right off of it. So we'll get a couple looks at it here again. We'll go ahead and see what we got. That toolbox, I don't know if it was factory or not, but it came with the truck. So we painted it up and put it back in. That's what gave me an idea to do the valve covers red and air cleaner red. It looks really good. Toolbox is all back on now. Everything's all pretty. Well, it's Gatekeeper 1957. This badass truck. Back off of it here and get a good look at it again. Over and out.